Hi, my name is Sarah Beth Hallmark, and today I'm going to be teaching about birth control and how it works and what it exactly prevents. Now, people take birth control, especially like pills and things, for different reasons. But today, for this topic, we're just going to focus on how birth control actually prevents pregnancy. Now, I'm under a short period, and I have a lot of information, so I'm just going to try my best. And it may be vague, but I'm going to do my best to explain it, okay? So, birth control is any method, medicine, or device used that prevents pregnancy, okay? So, first I'm going to start out with explaining the two types of hormones that are really used, and it is estrogen and progesterone. The progesterone thickens the mucus on the cervix, which a lot of times prevents or traps the sperm or makes it harder for the sperm to move and get to the egg. The next one is estrogen, and estrogen really prevents ovulation. So if you're not ovulating, there's no egg to be fertilized. So with your birth control implant, your IUD, your birth control shot, your birth control vaginal ring, your birth control patch, and your birth control pill, they are all using those two hormones. Either and or they might be using both, they might be using one or the other, okay? And so your birth control implant will go into your arm, your IUD will go into your uterus, your birth control shot, you get it at the doctor's. A vaginal ring is just a ring that you insert inside your vagina. Your birth control patch can be worn basically anywhere, and your birth control pills, you take them daily. So I'm just going to tell you how long they last and what exactly like their effectiveness is. So your birth control implant lasts 5 years and is 99% effective. Your IUD lasts 3 to 12 and is 99% effective. Your birth control shot you get every 3 months and it is 94% effective. Your birth control ring you replace monthly based on your period and it is 91% effective. Your birth control patch you replace it weekly, and it is 91% effective. And then your birth control pill you take it daily and it is 91% effective. So those are basically the medical devices. Now condoms and female condoms are both to prevent pregnancy from entering more into the vagina. So condoms you will wear on a man's penis and it'll trap the sperm from ever going inside the vagina. A female vagina or an internal condom, prevents pregnancy or prevents sperm from traveling up more into the vagina. It goes into the vagina and blocks it. Now your diaphragm, your birth control sponges, and your cervical cap all block sperm from going further into your female reproductive system. And so now I'm going to read what these are. The cervical cap, the sponge, and the diaphragm you put on every time you're going to have sex. Those are replaceable, as well as the condoms. So your condoms for males, you are 85% effective. Your internal condoms are 79% effective. Your diaphragm is 88% effective. Your birth control sponge is 76% effective and 84 to 88% effective. And your cervical cap is 71 to 86% effective. And all those are recommended to use with spermicide. And spermicide is just a chemical that can either just trap sperm or it immobilizes it, which is essentially killing the sperm. And you use it every time, again, a lot of times with those devices that I just named, and it is 71% effective. Now, fertility awareness is just understanding when you ovulate and you try to not have sex or try to be extra careful during those times. However, it is only 76% effective just because it's hard to actually estimate. Your withdrawal method is the pull-out method again, where you just try to pull out of the vagina before you ejaculate, and this is 78% effective. And then breastfeeding on birth control is whenever you're breastfeeding around 4 to 6 hours, you don't actually ovulate, and this is 98% effective. Abstinence, again, 100% way you won't get pregnant, not having sex. Sterilization and a vasectomy are both medical surgeries that prevent pregnancy, that they cut and basically just prevent a woman from releasing her eggs and a man from producing any more sperm. And this is my birth control poster, and there are some